Hello everyone. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna wash my V-Rod. It's kind of dirty, so that's what we're gonna do. What I like to do is jack it up and keep it up high so actually I can clean the wheels easier. What I like to do is I like to use the Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax. Use the Mother's Magnet aluminum polish, and I'm just gonna basically polish the whole bike, so that's probably the most time consuming job, but the effects are really good. And that's how it's done. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up and please subscribe. I'll see you next video.